Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the amazing reaction between potassium and nitric acid. Check this out. For this demonstration, we'll use a test tube, 16 molar nitric acid, and elemental potassium that's stored in mineral oil. Potassium is an alkali metal. It has 19 protons and was discovered by Sir Humphrey Davy in 1807 through the electrolysis of potassium hydroxide. You'll notice that it is so soft that you can cut it like butter. Kind of a pale gray color. That's the oxide layer, but if you cut a small piece, look how shiny it is underneath that oxide layer. Now that'll turn kind of that dull gray color right away, but this is what elemental potassium looks like. You can even squeeze it almost like silly putty into a small ball that'll fit in your test tube. That's about the perfect size for this demonstration. The next step is to drop your potassium down into your test tube, and you can see it down there at the bottom. For safety, we'll do this reaction over a flame blanket behind a blast shield. Now we're ready to add a few drops of 16 molar concentrated nitric acid. Here's the balanced equation for this neutralization reaction. We start with the reactants potassium and nitric acid. We have 1 mole of potassium, that's K, and 2 moles of nitric acid, that's the 2HNO3. When those combine, they create the products potassium nitrate, water, and nitrogen dioxide. We have 1 mole of potassium nitrate, that's the KNO3, 1 mole of water, that's H2O, and 1 mole of nitrogen dioxide, that's the NO2, in this amazing neutralization reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.